front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down to click on About Phone at the bottom. Then hit rename under current device name and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. Then hit done and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!